Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix live streaming not working on Bigo Live. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now if you want to fix your live streaming not working on Bigo Live, how to do that? First of all, hold on the Bigo mobile application and click on that I button. The app information should appear. From here, click on storage and click on clear data. Click on clear cache and click on OK. Once you do that, go in the app permissions and make sure that you have permitted the app to use your microphone as well as camera. After that, go on the App Store or Play Store and search for the updates. If Bigo is updated, then you're good to go. Refresh the app and that should definitely work. Otherwise, just update the app. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.